up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted.
So today's video is get ready with me, makeup, hair, and outfit. I know my camera is in a weird angle. That's because my mirror is down here, and for the mirror not to show in my shots, okay, it's gotta be like this. So taking the Zulu by Juvia's, of course. Ow. I am going to be using this yellow and burnt orange shade just as a transition color by pressing this and tapping this lightly onto my eyelids. Going back in the same palette, I'm taking the brown shade and using this to dip in the color in my crease just to add some gradient and some depth. Going into my The Nomad by Juvia's Place, I am going to be taking that shade and use this to pack this onto my eyelid in the area that I did the cut crease. It's not a very neat cut crease, but it doesn't really matter. Taking that shade as well, I'm going to go ahead and smoke out the ends, well, not the ends, the edges of my eyes. And you don't want to leave your eyeshadow like that. You want to ensure everything is properly blended in. So I'm going to go back and forth with my brush to ensure that happens. So I'm going to go ahead and slap on a pair of false lashes. I'll be a touchdown when all you need is some support. I'll make sure. Okay, my love, so moving on to my foundation, I am going to go ahead and swatch these three shades. Dream team, stick together and make history. This is Abidjan. Golden Wonderland, when we're hand in hand, our sister. This is Guinea. I'm going to go with Cameroon. Okay guys, so just applying this on my face, I can already tell how creamy this foundation stick is. You know how sometimes you use some sticks and it just feels dry, but this is like really creamy. The coverage of this stick is amazing. Did you guys just see how easy that blended into my skin? To highlight my face, I'm going to be using the shade Addis Ababa, and I'm applying the shade stick underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead and on my chin, just where the light hits. To contour my face, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Zambia. I wanted to show you guys that in the shade stick you get about 0.34 ounces of makeup, which is standard. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my cheekbones and on my temples, on my nose, just to ensure everything is snatched. And I'm also going to go ahead and blend this out using a beauty sponge and my Juvia's Place brush as well. I'm going to take my Juvia's Place setting powder in the shade Kalahari. I'm going to go ahead and use this to set the areas that I highlighted on my face, such as underneath my eyes and my forehead. I'm also going to go ahead and like carve out my contour line as well, just to give my face more definition and to make it look like I have some structure in my cheeks. I'm going to go ahead and just take some eyeliner and use this to line my eyes real quick. Then to smoke out my lashes, going back into my Nomad palette, going to take that brown shade and apply this to my bottom lashes as well. Once that's done, it's time for some mascara just to ensure my eyes pop a little bit more. And I'm going to go back into my powder and just use this all over my face to ensure everything is nice and set. Then now it's time for some glow, and I'm using my Heroin Glow by Juvia's Place and my highlighter brush as well, and just applying this on the cheeks and my nose. Then I'm going to go in with some blush and just use this to add some color to my face. Once everything is done, it's time to set my makeup. Going in with my Fumi and Juvia's Place Royalty lip color. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips, then use my lip gloss. And once that's done, we are pretty much done with my makeup. And yeah, I look cute. So that's pretty much it for this makeup part. Let's move on to my outfit, guys. That's pretty much it for this entire look. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, my loves, peace and love.